In one of my previous videos, you learned words related to the spring. Now, let's learn some vocabulary related to fall and winter. As I explained in my spring video, we don't actually have these seasons in Sri Lanka. But what we have around this time, around November, December, is the cold season because it is a little bit colder than other months of the year. That's all. Let's see some Sinhala words you need to know about Sri Lankan weather around this time. Sitalai, sitalai, cold. Me kale harima sitalai. This time duration is very cold. Me kale harima sitalai. Hulang, hulang, hulang. Wind, or sometimes this can also mean windy. Ada hulang harimat tadai. The wind is so strong today. Ada hulang harimat tadai. Kola halenawa. Kola halenawa. Leaves falling. Kola means leaves. Helena is something similar to falling, spilling type of a meaning. Kola Helena. Ay gasvela kola Helene. Why are leaves falling from the trees? Ay gasvela kola Helene. Kola vela paata venas venama. The color of the leaves change. Kola vela paata venas venam. Kola means leaves and vala means of in the plural form and paata means color. Venas venama means changing. Kola vala paata venas venam. Ratu paata red color. Kaha paata yellow color. Dumburu paata brown color. Are there any other colors? You can check the colors video to learn more colors. So we studied some words related to the fall now. Before we talk about words related to the winter season, let's learn one more word. And this word is from one of my students when I asked words related to the fall. She said squirrel. So why not that word too? Lena, squirrel. Lena. Okay, let's talk about words related to the winter season. Hima vatenawa. Hima vatenawa. Snowier. Hima, snow. Vatenawa. Fall. Hima vatenawa. But you know, Sri Lanka doesn't have snow. So we use this mainly to talk about other countries. Hima vatena kota godak sitalai. Hima vatena kota godak sitalai. When it snows, it's very cold. Hima vatena kota godak sitalai. Ushnatve. Ushnatve. Temperature. Ushnatve. Ada ushnatve kiyada. What is the temperature today? Ada ushnatve kiyada. And when you answer this question, you have to use this word. Celsius anshaka. Degrees in Celsius. This is how you're going to use it in a sentence. Ada ushnatve Celsius anshaka vissai. Vissa is 20. Ada ushnatve Celsius anshaka vissai. What about you? ඔයාලගේ අද උෂ්ණත්වය කීයද? What is your temperature today? Use this structure and comment your area's temperature today. Kaluwarai, dark. kaluwarai. We also pronounce this word as karuwalai. Yes, we change the places of R and the L sounds. Kaluwarai or karuwalai. Elie godak karuwalai. It's very dark outside. Elie godak karuwalai. Miduma. Miduma. Fog. Miduma nisa penene. I can't see because of the fog. Miduma nisa penene. Kammali. Lazy. Kammali. Sitala nisa harima kammali. Sitala nisa harima kammali. I feel so lazy because of the cold weather. This is like you don't feel like doing anything. Nidimatai. Feeling sleepy. Nidimatai. මට අද වැඩ කරන්න බෑ. නිදිමතයි. I can't work today. I feel sleepy. ගල් වෙනවා. Freeze. ගල් වෙනවා. ගල් means stone or rock and වෙනවා means like becoming. So this literally translates to become stone. ගල් වෙනවා. එළියට යන්න බෑ. අත් ගල් වෙනවා. Can't go outside. Our hands freeze. එළියට යන්න බෑ. අත් ගල් වෙනවා. ලස්සනම්. This is like slippery or slipping, but this is a verb form. But this is how we say slippery. පරිස්සමෙන් ඇවිදින්න. මෙතන ලස්සනවා. පරිස්සමෙන් ඇවිදින්න. මෙතන ලස්සනවා. Walk carefully. It's slippery here. වැටෙනවා. Falling. වැටෙනවා. හිමේ දුවන්න එපා. වැටෙන්න පුළුවන්. Don't run on the snow. You might fall. හිමේ දුවන්න එපා. වැටෙන්න පුළුවන්. And in the winter time, we have Nattala, Christmas. Watch the Christmas video to watch more vocabulary related to the Christmas. And that's all for this video. එහෙනම් ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ එකෙන් හම්බෙමු. Bye bye.